At room temperature, the dynamic and kinematic viscosity of water. Option A are both greater than that of air. Option B are both less than that of air. Option C are respectively greater than and less than that of air. Option D are respectively less than and greater than that of air. We know that dynamic viscosity nu. Okay, we used to represent dynamic viscosity as nu. From Newton's law, tau is equal to, shear stress tau is equal to nu into dou u by dy or du by dy. Okay, the value of dynamic viscosity for liquids like water, the dynamic viscosity depends on cohesion. Okay, and for gases like air, the dynamic viscosity depends on molecular momentum transfer. Okay, so at room temperature, the dynamic viscosity of water will be greater than dynamic viscosity of air. Okay, next the term kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity, we used to represent it by nu, and the kinematic viscosity nu is equal to dynamic viscosity divided by density. Okay, for air at room temperature, okay, for air at a room temperature, the numerator value, that is the kinematic viscosity, will be a lesser value. Okay, numerator will be a small value, and the density at room temperature, the density of air will be a much smaller, okay, much smaller value. Okay, so a smaller value divided by much smaller value will be a bigger value, right? So the kinematic viscosity of air at a room temperature will be greater than the kinematic viscosity of water. Okay, so dynamic viscosity of water will be greater and the kinematic viscosity of water will be less. Okay, so dynamic viscosity of water will be greater than and the kinematic viscosity of water will be less than that of air at room temperature. So our option is C. Our answer is option C.